Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to earn money by creating templates on CapCut? Let me show you how to apply to the CapCut Creator Program in under 2 minutes. First of all, go to capcut.com/partners/template creator US. Make sure you're logged in with your TikTok or CapCut account. This is where you will apply to become a CapCut template creator. Before applying, make sure you meet these basic requirements. Have an active CapCut account, upload high quality video templates, follow CapCut's community guidelines. Now, click on Apply Now button, fill out the form like what's your email, how did you hear about us US template program, then your age. Once submit, CapCut will review your application. It might take a few days. Keep an eye on your email or CapCut messages for approval. After approval, start uploading creative trending templates. The more engaging your templates, the more you earn. That's it. Easy, right? If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.